and Avery, and today...
And are you Ben or Avery?
I'm Avery.
Okay.
And today we're going to make fried pickles with our air fryer. So we first got our Mount Olive pickles.
And I got thick pickles.
And we got the circle slices, not the other ones. And then we have cornstarch and salt and pepper. We didn't have buttermilk, so we used normal milk and Siracha. And then our other mixture is oil and breadcrumbs. And what we're going to do is we're going to get all of the juice out of the pickles, and then we're going to dip it in the cornstarch mixture, the milk mixture, and then the breadcrumb milk mixture, and then heat it up. Yep. And then we're going to put all the directions below.
How was your day today?
It's good.
What was today? Was today your last day of school?
Yes.
Are you excited?
I had a test, yeah.
What test did you have?
Bible.
This is our favorite time of the show.
I don't like this time.
So you're going to be in 10th grade next year.
Yep.
School's over. Any big plans for the summer?
Nope.
Okay. All right. So we'll get started on the pickles. Hi, I'm Ben from Ben and Avery's Cooking Show. Here are our pickles. And I'm going to run off the juice and then dab them dry and give them to Avery. And she's going to start going through the starch, the Siracha, and the breadcrumbs. Little concerned that, it's not going to, once we go from the starch to the Siracha, it's not going to stick too good. But you know what? We're having fun. So we're going to make it work. Okay. Pickles.
Very strong.
Been working out. So some people like to drink the pickle juice.
Don't.
Just take a big chug out of it? No?
No.
Okay. So I'm just going off pickle juice. I want to run as much of it off as I can. Do you want to taste the pickle?
Sure.
Pickle. I'll go pickle.
Good pickle?
Pickle's going in Avery's mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're good. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to just drop these on the plate here. It may take us, a couple to... My hands are nice and clean. So if the show goes well, we can get some more subscribers and likes. I think we're gonna just buy a food truck, and we're gonna get Rex White. He makes barbecue. He's the best. He makes great barbecue. And we're gonna get Rex White. He's gonna make barbecue, and Avery and I are gonna make pickles and donuts. So like and subscribe. I'll quit my job. Avery can drop out of school. It'll be great. Okay, so I'm just going to dab these down, dry them as much as we can. It's kind of weird to dry them and then get them wet again, but it's okay. Okay, there's our pickles. I'm going to get rid of this guy. That's called a pickle butt. I don't like pickle butts. This is almost a pickle butt, but not a full pickle butt. I don't know if they're called pickle butts. I think I'm funny. Okay. Avery does not think I'm funny.
No, I do.
Okay.
How was your day, Ben?
It was challenging.
There's a cat.
Cat needs to get out of the kitchen. Every day that the Lord has made is a good day, but I had some challenges today. That's okay. All right, we're gonna pass the camera and let Avery see if she can batter these puppies.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Oh.
Hey, there's Avery. Okay. Avery, say hi.
Hi.
What we'll do is we'll just we'll pause and let her kind of give it a go, and then we'll get started. We'll make sure we're doing everything right before we film. Okay, so she didn't want me to record yet because she was eating a pickle. We're not going to have any pickles to fry because she and I keep eating all the pickles.
Okay, so we got our pickles. Putting them in the cornstarch and salt and pepper. Our preheat is done. Then we put in in our milk and Siracha mix, which it looks like it's kind of all comes off, but it's okay. And then we're gonna cover it and put them in our separate plate.
And that beeping you heard a second ago was the air fryer was preheating. Avery, you can do probably 10 at a time. Just throw a bunch of them in there. So we'll go through one more cycle of this, and then we won't bore you with all that. So Avery, who was your favorite teacher this year?
Am I allowed to say that?
Yeah, sure. Why not? I didn't ask you who your least favorite was. Just who was your favorite?
Mr. Hannenberg.
Mr. Hannenberg. Shout out to Mr. Hannenberg. So we only did, we actually did a little less than half of the Sriracha just because Avery doesn't really like spicy foods. So we didn't want it to be too spicy, so. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let her finish this plate, and then we won't film all that because we don't want to bore you guys to death. And then we'll get them going and let you know how it goes from there. Okay, Avery, you have anything else to say?
No.
Oh, wow, it's really close to your face.
That's nice.
Okay, we'll be back.
Okay, so we have our pickles, and we're gonna put them in the air fryer for 7 minutes at 375.
It said not to double stack them, but we did double stack a couple just because we ran out of room.
How do you do 5s? 370?
That's fine, yeah.
7 minutes.
And what we'll do is we'll check them after around 5 minutes. We don't want them to burn.
It said until they're golden brown, so we'll just check them.
All right, and then what did you learn about the cornstarch and everything? We still have a little bit of a mess here.
Yeah, the cornstarch, we didn't think it was working at first, but it makes it really sticky, so it proves that it's there, which is good.
And then we also had to add, we had to do some more salt and pepper and cornstarch just because we ran out of that pretty fast.
Yeah.
And you see we've got a little bit of the buttermilk and stuff, and we got a ton of breadcrumbs left. So yeah, so during this cooking time, we will take that as an opportunity to clean the dishes.
Yeah.
So, okay, we'll be back in 6 minutes. All right.
Okay, so they finished cooking for 7 minutes, and we got them out. They look pretty good. Some of them are more cooked than others, but we'll try.
We think some of it is just because we just put too many in there, so that's on us. We also got some ranch dressing.
You should try one too.
Okay, we'll let Avery try first.
Okay. Good.
Good?
Hot.
It's hot, spicy, or hot,
Hot temperature.
temperature? Okay, here, I'll try one. This is like virtual reality pickle tasting. Oh, yeah.
I feel like if it was more spicy, because we did it less spicy, the ranch would help anyways.
Yeah, so we'll put the recipe. I'm sorry, it's not nice to chew and talk at the same time, but that's what we do on our channel. But I would probably add a little bit more spice.
That's perfect for me.
Okay. All right, anything else?
Nope.
What do you think? Thumbs up?
They're good.
We'll make these again?
Yep.
Okay, and what are a couple things we're going to try and make soon?
We were gonna try to make like apple tarts.
Yeah.
Cookies, chocolate chip cookies. What else?
I don't know, nothing else comes to mind. I want to eat these while they're hot.
Yeah.
So tell everybody bye.
Bye.